This video will teach you one of the most effective methods to inducing a lucid dream with hardly any effort. I'm going to show you a powerful technique that works for any skill level. So if you're new to lucid dreaming, you can still use this method and achieve results. But before I get into today's video, please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. I post weekly lucid dreaming tutorials. And if you want to get into lucid dreaming so that you can control your dreams every single night and have amazing experiences, then hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you know when new videos come out. Anyways, let's get straight into the tutorial. Today, I'm going to teach you a new technique called SSILD so that you can lucid dream tonight. SSILD stands for Senses Induced Lucid Dreaming. This technique was actually created in China, and because it worked so well, many lucid dreaming websites started translating it into English so that everybody could learn it. This technique works by taking advantage of your senses and using them to enter the dream world with a much higher awareness. This technique is still fairly new, and if you're gonna try it out, I recommend attempting it for at least 1 week, even if you're not seeing results, because if you're more consistent, then the chances of this working are much higher. Step 1. Set your alarm to wake yourself up during REM sleep. Now, if you don't know what REM sleep is, it's basically when you dream, and it happens to us every single night. You can figure out when your REM sleep is pretty easily if you have a very good sleep cycle. But if you have absolutely no idea what any of this means, then just try setting your alarm for about 4 to 6 hours after you fall asleep. The key to doing this technique properly is to wake up from a dream. I usually fall asleep at around 11 o'clock, and when I wake up at 5 in the morning and try this technique, it works perfectly fine for me. So go on your phone and set an alarm for about 4 to 6 hours after you fall asleep. Step 2. When you wake up, try to think about the dream that you just had. And better yet, write it down in your dream journal. If you don't know what a dream journal is, I've actually made a video on it before, and you can click to watch it if you want to learn more about that topic. If you wake up and you find that you can't remember your dreams, don't worry about it. You can just keep moving on with this technique and it'll still work fine. If you need to get a cup of water or use the washroom, that's fine, and it won't really affect the final result. Just try not to stay up for too long, and don't use any screens because that can prevent you from having a good night's sleep. When you're ready to attempt this technique, lay in bed and close your eyes. Step 3. Focus on your sight. You can do this by relaxing and focusing on the darkness behind your eyelids. Some people will see shapes and colors, while others may not see anything at all. Whatever the case, remain relaxed and don't distract yourself with other thoughts. Do this for about 5 seconds. But don't actually count the seconds, as your main focus should be on your sight. Step 4. Next, you want to focus on the sounds that you're hearing. Focus on the sound of your breathing, your pulse, or just any external sounds in your environment. Be aware of the noises around you, but try to relax and don't think about them too much. If you meditate regularly, this should be pretty easy for you. Keep focusing on sound for about 5 seconds, and then move on to the next step. Step 5. Focus on touch. Now, you want to shift your attention to what your body feels and any sensations that you may have. For example, you can focus on the weight of your blanket against your body, the temperature of the air in the room, the softness of your pillow, really just anything that you can feel. Again, do this for about 5 seconds. Step 6. Repeat. Go back to step 3 and repeat this cycle. Do this for about 4 to 6 times, with each stage lasting only for a few seconds. Step 7. Once you've done this a few times, go back to step 3 again and repeat this cycle. But this time, you want to spend even more time on each stage, about 20 to 30 seconds. This will allow you to become even more focused on your senses. This is the final step, and it's important to be completely relaxed or else this won't work properly. If any thoughts in your mind pop up, just ignore them and put all of your focus on sensing the world around you. Again, spend about 30 seconds on each sense. Do about 4 cycles of this, and once you're done, just fall asleep. Now the key is to fall asleep as fast as you can as soon as you are done your cycles. If you do all of the steps in this video correctly, you will fall asleep with a higher level of awareness therefore giving you a really good chance of experiencing a lucid dream. The best thing about this technique is that you only have to do a few steps and then just fall asleep and everything will just kind of fall into place. You may not get success on the very first night, but practice makes perfect, and as long as you keep trying, I can guarantee that you will have at least some sort of success. Anyways, that's about it for this video. SSILD is an amazing technique, and if it worked for you, leave a comment down below and share your experience. If you want more videos like this, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Again, I post weekly lucid dreaming tutorials, so turn on notifications so that you know whenever a new one comes out. If you have any questions about this technique or you need any help, again, just leave a comment down below and I will try my best to assist you. And as always, thanks for watching.